Welcome back to the Alibaba Advanced Success Guide. And in conclusion, finding a great product to sell is the key to using Alibaba effectively. Now, one important factor to remember is that you do have to do research on more than just Alibaba for long-term success. You need to be willing to test your samples before you begin to create big orders. And this upfront process, it's going to take a while, but it'll be worth it because you will protect your seller rating and keep from making bad purchases. Now, you want to take finding a good product seriously and expand once you find out what's selling. But to find out what's selling, this means further and constant testing. Now, whether you choose a store or advertising model, remember to use USP, exponential marketing, list building, and alliances as your template for growing your business. And then finally, consider developing your brand and niche from tangible evidence or data, not your intuition. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you either in another video or in another course.